An election was held using the Borda count method. There were 4 candidates, A, B, C, and D, and 90 voters. When the points were tallied using 4 points for first, 3 points for second, 2 points for third, and 1 point for fourth, A had 330 points, B had 320 points, and C had 180 points. Find how many points D had and give ranking of the candidates. Hint, figure out how many points are packed in each ballot. So the first thing that we need to know is how many Borda points each voter can distribute. And that's going to be found right here using 4 points for first, 3 points for second, 2 points for third, and 1 point for fourth. So we'll take 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, and that will be equal to 10. So that's going to be the number of Borda points per voter. Now, we also note that there are 90 voters in this thing. So we're going to take the number of Borda points, which is 10, and we are going to go ahead and multiply that by the number of voters, which is 90, and we will get 900. So this right here is the total Borda points available. So we go back and we notice that A had 330 points, B had 320 points, and C had 180 points. So if we go ahead and subtract those 3 values from the 900 total Borda points, we'll determine how many points D has at this point. So we will subtract 330 points, and that's going to be the total for A. That yields 570 points left. Then we'll go ahead and subtract 320 points. That's going to be the total number of points for B, and that would be 250. And then we're going to go ahead and subtract from that 180 points for C. And when we subtract that value, we're going to get 70. And that 70 is going to be the value that we will use for D. And now that we know the total number of points, we can go ahead and rank the candidates in order. We're going to have basically 2 columns. We'll have candidate, and then we'll have points, and we'll look for the one that has the highest number of points, and we'll notice that A has the highest number of points. So we'll rank A right here at the top with 330. Then the next one will be B with 320. The third one in this case is going to be C with 180. And then finally, we'll have D with 70. So in this particular case, it just happens to be that A, B, C, D falls out and ranks in order from A to D. And that's it. So then we go ahead and just write down the ranking as being this.